Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Morgan at Homeschool in the Woods. Today I'm going to be showing you our new book haul, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to show you our new book haul that we got. I'm kind of on a book kick right now, so sorry for all the book videos, but you know, I need to show you. So I found a new website that I just fell in love with. It's called kidsbooks.com, and they have a lot of great books. They have a lot of sales. Everything I got was on sale. A lot of it was like $2 to $3. I did buy some that were a little more expensive too, but they were hardback, but I really was wanting to get them for the kids. So I went ahead and got some that were a little bit more expensive, like $6. So, but if you spend $35, you get free shipping. So I wanted to spend enough to get free shipping. So I got a total of, I think 8 books. Yeah, 8 books altogether from kidsbooks.com. And I'm going to show you what I got there. And then also we got some used books I bought some from Facebook. Somebody on Facebook was selling a bunch of their books. So I bought some off there. And also I got a couple yard sale books that are really nice. So I'm just going to dive right in. So from kids books, I'm going to start there. Here's the first one I got. Sorry if it's glaring. Bound for Oregon. This I got from my oldest daughter. It's a historical book about a family who sets out from Arkansas to go to Oregon Territory, and they encounter Indians, rough terrain, and all kinds of stuff. So it looks like it would be something that she would really like. I gave like $2 and I want to say like 30 something cents. I'm not sure exactly, but I thought it was a really good deal. I can't find them that cheap on eBay because I have to pay shipping and stuff. So this is for her. I think she'll really like it. Another one that I got specifically for her, I don't know much about it, but it looks really nice. It's called Chains. I don't know if you can see that. It's not focusing very good. But Lori Halse Anderson is the author. She wrote Speak and Fever 1793. It doesn't have where I can read you anything on the back. It just has reviews pretty much. But it was only $2 and something cents too. So I thought, why not? It looked like something that she would like. So anything historical, that's right up her alley. So this one I'm going to add to our read aloud list. I got a recommendation from another YouTuber, One Caffeinated Mom. She suggested The Secret Zoo from Brian Chick, and it looks really cute. I'm excited to add this to our list of read alouds. So it looks like a real adventure story. So that will be a new read aloud for us. And I got some bigger like picture books too for my younger kids because they're really still into picture books and we read a lot of picture books. So I got Pete the Cat. I Love My White Shoes. My kids are obsessed with this book. They love this book. I'll show you some of the pictures on the inside. It's a really cute book. I don't know. It's kind of a big book, so it's hard to show you, but it's pretty cute. Yeah, there's Pete. But yeah, this one was a little more expensive. It is hardback, but I got it because the kids, I already knew they liked it, so I went ahead and bought it for them. It was like I think it was $6, but it's a cute book. And I wanted to get some a couple of Thanksgiving books for Thanksgiving, obviously. So I got one that is just the Thanksgiving story. This is by Alice Delgleish. I'm not sure how you say the name. But anyway, this is the Thanksgiving story. I'll show you some pictures on the inside. Sorry, my camera is not cooperating today, so some of the pictures. But anyway, yeah, I wanted to have a couple Thanksgiving books for the kids because, I don't know. I know an old lady who swallowed a pie. This is one that's just going to be a fun read. Some of the pictures on the inside. So, yeah, this one will be really cute. I think this one was actually less than $2. I'm not exactly sure on the prices because I kind of forgot. But some of them, like I think this one might have been like $1.60. Now, the time this video goes up, I know the sale will be over probably. But I think they have a lot of sales, so you can go check on there and just see what's going on. They might have new books that are on sale. But I really like the website. It took like a week and a half, I think, to get the books. So, but everything's taking a while to get here lately. So, I also got Moon. It is a peek through picture book. It's a really pretty book. This is a nice hardback book. On the inside it goes through, like, it has these little cutouts of the moon, the different moon phases, as you can see. And it has really pretty pictures. What are you doing, bud? And see, you've got all these little cutouts. So it shows like the moon phases and stuff. I think it was really cute. So, here's another picture. So, anyway, this is more for Owen, my little boy over here. Okay, another book I got. We Are Big Gardeners. What do you do?
I like it.
Oh, you like it? Okay. Just don't tear it up. Okay.
I'm gonna look at what's inside of it.
Okay, you can go look at it, but be quiet. Okay. We're big gardeners, so I got this book for spring in mind because we're always working in the garden in springtime. So I got We Are the Gardeners written by Joanna Gaines. This is a really cute book, and it's really pretty. I'll show you some of the pictures on the inside. It's all about gardening, so I thought it'd be really fun to do for the spring. There's a piano with plants all over it. Yeah, so I got this one for spring. I think this one was $7. This one was a little higher, but I thought it was really nice and I wanted to get it for a collection. So, are you done? Mm-hmm. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to show you a couple that I got from a yard sale. These were $1 a piece. Here's one called Meet Me at the Moon. It has those two elephants on the front. Has some really nice pictures on the inside, if you can see that.
Well, can I read it?
We'll read it later. But yeah, that is a really cute book. Yeah, I gotta have it for a moment. Okay, then you can have it. Alright, here's Maple. This was $1 at a yard sale too. This one I thought was really cute. It's got a little girl and her tree that her parents plant when she's born, and it talks about the tree as she grows up, and the tree grows too. So, it's a really cute book. That I thought would be good for our collection. And these are ones I got from a lady off Facebook. Most of them were like $2, I think. Yeah, I think they were all $2. So I got this one for my 3rd grader in mind called Clementine. This is by Sarah Pennypacker. It looks like something that she would really be interested in. Some of the pictures on the inside look like Clementine is kind of a troublemaker, I want to say, or just gets into all kinds of mischief. So it looks like something that she would really be interested in. She likes any kind of silly type book. So yeah, we're gonna try it out and see how it goes for $2. I figure I couldn't go wrong. So yeah, here's one I got for my oldest daughter. It's called our Only Mayelia. This one is about a pioneer family in Washington in 1899, and it's about a girl who has 7 older brothers, and her family wants her to be more ladylike, but she just kind of runs wild with her brothers, it looks like. So I thought this would be a really cute book for her. Okay, so another book that I got for possibly a read aloud, the Penderwix. I don't know if we'll get to it this year or not, or maybe a next year read. It's by Jean Birdsall. Yeah, I'm not sure how to say it. I know all these names are probably wrong, so sorry, but it's about a summer tale of 4 sisters, 2 rabbits, and a very interesting boy. And I think this is a series, so I like when there's series because if it's something the kids really like, I can look for the other ones. So this is probably going to be on our read aloud list for this year or possibly next year. And I have to show you this. My son, my 4-year-old son, loves the Very Hungry Caterpillar, so we got this book. It was like $2. I got it from the same lady from Facebook, and it's just a really cute book. I'm sure everybody's probably seen this book before, but I don't know. It's about the hungry caterpillar that eats his way through all the food. Yeah, so we got that one. So I still buy a lot of picture books and stuff for my kids because we're always reading them and they love them so much. So I just try to keep lots of books on hands that they like. So, and then this one I got for my older daughter, Betsy's River Adventure. This is Sisters in Time series. I don't know anything about it. I just went by pretty much the cover. But being that it's a historical type book, I feel like my oldest daughter would really like it. It's back in 1808. 13-year-old Betsy Miller is shocked when her parents decide to move from their home in Boston to the rugged frontier city of Cincinnati. So I got that with her in mind. So that is just about it. I think I went through everything. But yeah, we got a whole bunch of new books and we're all excited, and I hope maybe you got some ideas from this. Always check out Facebook, the homeschool groups on there. There's tons of books for sale on there. People are selling books cheap. You do have to pay for shipping most of the time, but most of the time it's reasonable. So yeah, check out Facebook if you're having a hard time finding books at thrift stores or anything like that. I try to find them as cheap as possible. Kids Books is a really good option. I will probably be shopping there again. I was really pleased with our order, and I'll be watching for new sales from them. But yeah, guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.